Sometimes arriving at a hotel in another country feels exciting, but it can also feel a little stressful. Maybe you are tired after traveling. Maybe everything around you is in English, and suddenly you start worrying about simple conversations. What should I say at check-in? What if I don't understand the worker? What if my English sounds awkward? And honestly, a lot of English learners feel that way in hotels. But maybe nobody says this enough. But hotel English is usually very simple. You do not need advanced vocabulary. You just need calm and clear communication. So today, let's practice simple hotel English together. Take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly. Hi, I have a reservation. I'd like to check in. What time is breakfast? Thank you very much. Very good. Imagine you arrive at a quiet hotel in the evening. You walk to the front desk and smile. The worker says, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can answer calmly. "Hi, I have a reservation. I'd like to check in, please. My name is Alex." Simple English, real communication, and maybe sometimes you need to ask a question. That's completely normal. You can say, "Where is my room? What time is checkout? Is breakfast included? Can I get some help, please?" These small questions are very useful while traveling. Let's practice together again. I need a room key. Can you repeat that, please? I'm still learning English. Thank you for your help. Excellent. You know something interesting? Most hotel conversations are actually short and simple. People ask basic questions. They check in. They ask for directions or information. That's all. So please, don't pressure yourself to sound perfect. Most hotel workers speak with many travelers every day. They simply want to help you. And simple English is usually enough. Little by little, travel conversations start feeling easier, and your confidence slowly grows. So the next time you stay at a hotel, try using one small English sentence calmly. That is already progress. Let's do one final calm shadowing practice together. I can travel calmly. Simple English is enough. I can ask simple questions. I feel more confident every day. I enjoy practicing English naturally. Perfect. And remember, you do not need perfect English to communicate while traveling. I'll see you in the next calm English practice.